Welcome to the Trinix classroom. I am Miss Nixon. Today's topic is long division without remainders. First, let's get familiar with the parts of long division. The big number that we're dividing is called the dividend. The number that we're dividing the dividend by is called the divisor. And the answer to our long division problem is called the quotient. In this beginner segment of long division, we'll be covering the first three steps. Step 1, divide. Step 2, multiply. And step 3 is subtract. These are the steps to long division that we'll be covering step by step and in that order. Let's get started with step 1, divide. We want to know how many groups of 3 we can get out of 9. So let's gather our 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let's circle each group of 3. 1, 2, 3. We were able to get 3 groups of 3, so our answer, our quotient, is 3. When we divide the dividend by the divisor, we put the quotient above the line. Next, we go to step 2. Step 2 is multiply. Once again, we're working with the divisor. The divisor is now multiplied by the quotient above the line. 3 times 3. The answer is 9, and it goes below the line. When we divide the number under the line by the divisor, and we put that answer on the top of the line. Then we multiply the number on the top of the line by the divisor, and we put the answer below the line. And our final step is subtract. We are going to subtract the 9 that we just put below the line from the dividend. And 9 minus 9 will give us 0. Because 0 cannot be divided by 3, we are all done. Let's try another. This time our dividend is 8 and our divisor is 2. Let's start by gathering our 8 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's circle each group of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. We were able to get 4 groups of 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. Our quotient is 4. We're on to step 2, multiply. We're going to multiply our divisor by the quotient. 2 times 4 is 8. Step 3 is subtract. We are going to subtract the 8 that we just put below the line from the dividend. And 8 minus 8 is 0. 0 cannot be divided by 2, and so we are all done. Our final quotient is 4. Remember, you can always play the video back if you need more help. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more videos.